Hello dear students, here we discuss about some problem based on chapter 3 matrices. Let's see question. Construct a 2 cross 2 matrix A equal ijth element of matrix whose elements are given by Aij equal to I plus 2j whole square by 2. Solution. As a 2 cross 2 matrix is given by A11, A12, A21, A22. Given Aij equal to 1 upon 2 I plus 2j whole square. Now A11 equal to 1 upon 2 1 plus 2 cross 1 whole square. Substitute the value of 1 means 1 equal to ith means number of row and j means number of column. Continuously we put the value of 1 2 1 1 1 2 2 1 2 2. A11 equal to 1 upon 2 1 means first row plus 2 into j means first column whole square. When we solve this, we've got 9 by 2. A12 equal to 1 upon 2 1 plus 2 cross 2 whole square. Here I equal to 1 and j equal to 2. And then after solving this, we find 25 by 2. A21 means second row first column. Here I equal to 2 and j equal to 1. Now 1 upon 2 2 plus 2 cross 1 whole square equal to 8. A22 1 upon 2 2 plus 2 cross 2 whole square. First solve multiplication. 2 cross 2 plus 2 means 6 square 36 by 2 equal to 18. Hence the required matrix is A equal to 9 upon 2. 9 upon 2 is the value of A11. 25 by 2 which is the value of A12. Next 8 and 18 is the required matrix. Now let's see question. Construct a 3 cross 4 matrix whose elements are given by Aij equal to 1 upon 2 mod of minus 3i plus j. What is the meaning of mod? Means you have any value, let it is minus, you get positive value. Mod means root and square of this value. Solution. As a 3 cross 4 matrix is given by A11, 3 cross 4 means 3 rows and 4 columns. 3 cross 4 or 3 by 4 matrix is given by A11, A12, A13, A14, A21, A22, A23, A24, A31, A32, A33, A34. According to your previous question, we solved this question also previous method. Given Aij equal to 1 upon 2 mod of minus 3i plus j. Here I equal to number of row and j equal to number of column. Continue, we put the value 1, I equal to 1 first and j equal to 1. Similarly, we find A12, A13 and A14. A21 value 5 by 2, A22, A23, A24, A31, A32, A33, A34. मॉड मीन्स लास्ट में जो आपका वैल्यू रहेगा सब में जिसमें भी नेगेटिव है, नेग्लिजिबल होगा वैल्यू जो है. Let's see, if it is -7 means when we remove the mod, -7 square and root means -7 49, only 7. Is it clear? A33, A34. Hence the required matrix is 1, 1 by 2, 0, 1 by 2, 5 by 2, 2, 3 by 2, 1, 4, 7 by 2, 3, 5 by 2. Let's see another question. Find the value of A, B and C and D from the equation A minus B, 2A plus C, 2A minus B, 3C plus D equal to next matrix, which is equal to -1, 5, 0, 13. First of all, solution given. Write down the given equation, then comparing the corresponding elements we get. Comparing means the number of first row, first column is equal to corresponding element of another matrix, which is equal to in this side A minus B equal to -1, 2A plus C equal to 5, 3A minus D equal to 0 and 3C plus D equal to 13. Name as 1, equation 2, 3, 4. From equation first and second, third, by elimination method, subtracting equation first from equation third, we get A equal to 1. From equation first, we find another value B equal to 2. Next, from equation second, we have 2A plus C equal to 5. Again, we have A equal to 1. Substitute the value of A. 2 into 1 plus C equal to 5 and C equal to 3. Again, from equation 4, 3C plus D equal to 13. Putting the value of C equal to 3 है ना, 3 into 3 plus D equal to 13, then D equal to 4. Hence the value of A equal to 1, B equal to 2, C equal to 3 and D equal to 4. Question, next question, A equal to A, ith and jth row and column element of matrix Mn is a square matrix if mod A equal options are M is less than N, M is greater than N, M is equal to N, D none of this. Solution. Since a given matrix is said to be a square matrix if the number of rows is equal to the number of columns. Here, when we say the matrix is a square matrix, when number of row and number of column both are equal, that means your answer will be C. Next question. The number of all possible matrices of order 3 cross 3 with each entry 0 or 1 is your option. First 27, second 18, third 81 and fourth 512. For this we can explain it. The given matrix is of the order 3 cross 3, has 9 elements. 3 by 3 means it has 9 elements. And rough work: A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. The number of all possible matrices of order 3 cross 3 with each entry 0 or 1 is, in this place or any place, each of this element can be either 0 or 1. Now, each of the 9 elements can be filled in two possible ways. It is 0 or it is 1. In every condition, it is 1 or it is 0. Suppose 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Now, therefore, the required number of possible matrices is 2 to the power 9 equal to 512. Okay, thank you students. Thanks for watching.